Oh, Oleh. You step onto a bus in Israel and think, wait, how do you even pay for this? First thing you need to know, public transportation in Israel is completely cashless. You can't pay the driver, and there are no paper tickets on buses. So how do you get around? For navigation, keep it simple. Use Google Maps or the official Egged app. They'll show you routes, times, and exactly which bus or train to take. Now let's talk about paying. You've got two main options. First, you can use your phone. Just scan the QR code when you get on the bus or train, and your ride is registered. Second, and this is important, you should get a Rav Kav. The Rav Kav is a rechargeable card that works everywhere. And even if you plan to use your phone, you still want one. Why? Because your phone battery will die at some point. And if it does, you have no way to get on the bus and pay. Plus, some discounts only apply when using a Rav Kav. If you live in certain areas or qualify for reduced fares, the savings can be significant. Now here's a rule that catches a lot of people off guard. In Israel, you get 90 minutes of free transfers between buses and light rail. Sounds simple, but there's a catch. You still need to scan every time you get on a new bus or light rail, even if it's within those 90 minutes. If you don't scan and an inspector checks, you can get fined. Also important, this rule does not apply to trains. Trains work differently. With Israel Railways, you need to have a ticket before you even get to the platform. You tap in when you enter the station, and you tap out when you leave. That's how your fare is calculated. And yes, you can buy physical tickets for trains and light rail before boarding. Now, traveling with friends or family? Here's something most people don't know. If you're paying for more than one ticket through the app, say for yourself and a friend, the app doesn't always recognize the 90-minute transfer window for both tickets at the same time. What happens? Your ticket gets the free transfer. Their ticket gets charged as a brand new fare. And you won't always notice until you check, so always check the app and make sure both tickets were handled correctly. One more thing to know, public transportation does not run on Shabbat. That means from Friday afternoon until Saturday night, buses, trains, and light rail all stop. So always plan ahead. That's it, Oleh. You're all set. Now get out there and explore everything Israel has to offer. For more tips and guidance on all things Aliyah, visit allaboutaliyah.com, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.